Most people are still using Google to do things that AI can finish in 10 seconds. I'm not joking. I spent 3 weeks testing 20 different AI tools. Some were total trash, some genuinely changed how I work, and a few nobody talks about. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tools to use, for what, and which ones are just hype. Let's go. Point 1. ChatGPT is good, but you're using it wrong. Most people open ChatGPT and type like they're texting a friend. That's the mistake. The real power is in giving it context. Instead of saying, write me an email, say, write a professional email to my professor explaining I missed a deadline because of a medical emergency. Keep it under 100 words. Night and day difference. Why it matters. Better prompts equals better output. Simple. Point 2. For research, Perplexity AI is unbeatable. Forget spending 40 minutes reading 10 different articles. Perplexity gives you a summarized answer with sources in under 30 seconds. I tested it by researching impact of AI on Indian job market. It gave me a clean cited summary that would have taken me an hour manually. Why it matters. Students, this is your research shortcut. Use it before writing any assignment or presentation. Point 3. Canva AI is doing things Photoshop took years to learn. Type a prompt, get a design. That's literally it. I made a LinkedIn post graphic, a resume layout, and a pitch deck all under 20 minutes. The Magic Write feature inside Canva also generates content for your slides. No design skills needed. Why it matters. For college presentations, startup pitches, or even Instagram posts, you don't need a designer anymore. Point 4. Notion AI is your second brain. I dumped a 3,000 word meeting transcript into Notion AI. It gave me a bullet point summary, action items, and a follow up email draft in one click. It also helps you write SOPs, project plans, and even journals. Why it matters. If you're juggling college internships or a side hustle, this keeps everything organized and writes for you. Point 5. For coding, GitHub Copilot is insane. It auto completes your code like your senior developer is sitting next to you. I was building a basic Python script and it finished my functions before I even typed them fully. Students in CS or anyone learning to code, this cuts your debugging time by half. Why it matters. You learn faster, build faster, and stop getting stuck on syntax. Point 6. ElevenLabs for voice, Runway for video. Both are scary good. ElevenLabs clones voices. I created a voiceover for a demo video using an AI voice that sounded completely human. Content creators, this is your hack. Runway generates short video clips from text prompts, still early, sometimes weird, but improving every week. Why it matters? Solo creators can now produce content that used to need an entire team. Point 7. The tool nobody talks about. Gamma AI. Need a presentation fast? Gamma builds an entire deck from a one-line prompt. I typed startup pitch for an edtech app in India, got a fully designed 10-slide deck in 90 seconds. Not perfect, but 80% done in 90 seconds beats 0% done in 3 hours. Why it matters. Deadline coming. Gamma saves you. Here's the truth. AI won't replace you, but someone using AI will. These tools are free or nearly free. There's no excuse not to start today. Pick one tool from this list. Try it this week, that's all. If this video saved you time, smash that subscribe button. I test tools every week so you don't have to. And drop a comment below. Which AI tool is your favorite right now? I read every single one. See you in the next one.